Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Pixelate MUA and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get this Hufflepuff inspired look. So this is the third video in my Harry Potter series. I will leave the playlist linked somewhere in and around the cards up here. I need to apologise that I've not been very active recently. For the past 2 weeks I've had the flu, and yes, I do have a fringe. I've got it put in a few weeks ago now, but I've just not filmed with it since, obviously, like I said, I've had the flu. And we're getting there with the grey. It's starting to take. Just these bits here just need a little bit more toning, but other than that we are getting there. So if you have watched my vlogs and you've seen that I'm on the long road to grey, then that is the progress. I will leave my Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram linked in and around the video somewhere. It's just Pixelate MUA everywhere. Please give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. It means a great deal to me. I'd like to thank all of my new followers as well as my old ones for sticking with me throughout this YouTube journey. But if you would like to see how to get this Hufflepuff look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm starting super close because I'm going to do my eyes first before I do anything else, as I'm using quite dark heavy colours, and so it's just easier to do my eyes, and then if there's any fallout I can get rid of that and then do the base. To begin, I'm just going to put a nice base on, grab my beauty blender and just pop that over my eyelids, just so these are primed and ready for eyeshadow application. And then I'm going to go in with the Last Imperfection by Collection. This is just in the shade Fair. I have been trying to get a hold of the Makeup Revolution concealers, but they are sold out every time I try and get some, so I might just have to order them online. So I've done foundation and concealer. I'm just going to set with some loose setting powder. First up, I'm using Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette. I'm going to begin in with this colour just all over the lid, just to give me a nice even base. And then for my transition colour I'm going to use yellow. So it's going to be this colour here, again from the same palette, and I'm going to run that straight through my crease. Obviously yellow is the iconic Hufflepuff colour, and I'm going to take that quite high up. Don't worry about getting it onto your lid, we will be going over it later. I'm just doing it in a like a semicircle motion, just to really get that colour down, and going quite far into my inner corner. Please excuse my eyebrows, they really need doing. I'm just going to keep building the colour up, as I do want it to be quite bright. I'm going to just take my fluffy brush and this colour here and just literally just blend out a tiny bit, not too much because I don't want to diffuse too much of the colour. Okay, so with the Sofa Does Nails palette I'm going to use the colour Nightmare. It's just this one here. Okay, so on a flat brush I'm going to get some setting spray. I'm just going to use the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Setting Spray, which is just this one. And I'm going to pop it all over the lid. I'm going to take a fluffy brush, go into the black and start blending into the crease. just to make it smoky and blown out. And then just back in with the black on the flat brush again, just to pack in the pigment. And then I'm just going to go back in with the fluffy brush and the yellow to just reapply some of that pigment and to make this more seamless. So I'm just going to leave the eyes there for the moment, just clean all this up, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now I've tidied up around my eyes. I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Lasting Finish Makeup Primer. And I'm just going to pop that all over my skin. Okay, so for foundation today I'm using my Revlon Colour Stay in the shade Buff. Okay, so I like to just dot that all over my face, and then I'll just take my sponge and start blending it in. This is the Tarte sponge that came with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Okay, and then for concealer I'm just going to go in with the Lasting Perfection by Collection, and that is the shade Fair. And to set my skin, again, I'm just using a loose powder. For contour today, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit in the shade Ultra Fair. And I think I'm going to try this colour here, this gold highlight. Okay, and I'm going to go back in with the yellow again from the Iconic Division palette, and I'm just going to start running that under the eyes. And then just on the clean fluffy brush, just blend that in. Pencil brush, I'm going to take out the black again and just start running that under my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm just going to tightline my eyes with just a kohl eyeliner pencil. So for the eyeliner on top of the eyes, I'm actually going to go in with the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in, what is this shade? Vivid Halo. Vivid Halo, that one's called. So it is like a yellow toned one. just get into it. I'm really hoping this is pigmented as well. So this is just what it looks like. That looks quite nicely pigmented. It is quite runny, so we'll see. And the wand is super long, so let's see how we go. Okay, it's not the most precise and it is really quite runny. Okay, while I wait for that to dry, I'm just going to go do my eyebrows off of camera. Just bear with me a second. So guys, I just added my mascara as well. This is the eyes. I will say that if you're new to eyeliner, then I probably wouldn't use this NYX Vivid Brights one. It is quite difficult to use. It doesn't feel very comfortable on the eyes either. It's like dried. I don't know if you can see, but it's sort of dried really funny. Right guys, so for the lips, I've got another NYX product. It is the NYX Liquid Suede Metallic Matte in the shade Go Rouge. No, I'm lying. It's in the shade Go Rogue. Okay, so I actually really like that shade. But we're not going to leave it there. I'm going to go back in with the NYX Vivid Brights and we're going to start creating just a polka dot effect, and I'm going to concentrate it all onto the corners of the mouth and bring it in. Okay guys, like so. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Okay guys, sorry if anything looks different. My battery died as I was filming my outro. So my Harry Potter question for you today is, who is your favourite character and why? My favourite character is Sirius Black. I actually have a tattoo of his nickname on my foot, Padfoot. So on my foot I have Padfoot because I'm cool. I guess he's my favourite character because I like that he's quite rebellious, and he's also the father figure that Harry really wanted. I was obviously absolutely gutted when he died. Spoiler alert, really sorry. Should have watched it by now, and if not, why are you watching this video? Let me know in the comments down below who is your favourite and why. If you do like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. So the next in the series is obviously Gryffindor, so I know you're all probably looking forward to that one. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you did like what you see. I've got loads more planned for the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.